How to log out of Waze. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you log out of your Waze account. To do this you have to follow the simple steps. So what you want to do is, first thing first, open up your Waze application and log into your account. As logged in, what next you want to do is tap on the menu bar from the top left hand side corner of your screen. So from the list you want to go ahead and click on settings, and when you go to the settings options, you simply want to scroll down a bit, and under accounts you want to click on account and login. As you click on it, you could see at the bottom or second last option there is this logout option. So click on logout and once again confirm it so, and you've successfully logged out of your Waze account. If you find this procedure quite lengthy, then what you could also do is just long press onto the Waze application, click on app info, go to storage and cache, just click on clear storage, click on delete, and this is also one way of logging out of your Waze account. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.